So today I won't be shooting, which means I'm home alone because my roommate is one of the main casts in the series and she has to go in almost every day. So I've seen people take walks around the villa, so I thought maybe I'd go and do that too. I'm gonna take out the trash as I go as well. Morning! I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Just taking a walk around the villa.
Ooh. Hello.
Hello! I want one of those. So beautiful. Good morning. That's the pool. Even has a little tiger over there. The sun is unforgiving in this here. Up in here, in this place. That's what I meant to say, but I get distracted. One of the cast told me that the dengue mosquitoes attack you in the day and the malaria mosquitoes attack you at night. You can't win in rural Indonesia like this, but it sure is beautiful. So all the cast are living in the same village as I, and the crew are living in a village not far from here. Good morning. And check a little community. It's beautiful. People are very friendly. I think there are a lot of people that have retired and they moved here. They bought a villa, which I also heard cost about $200,000 Singapore. Yeah, that's about 200,000 Australian dollars or about 150,000 American dollars. So very inexpensive actually. Zenas and I could totally do this. Whoa! Check this out. Wow. Personalization, man. What does that lead to? Guess we're gonna find out. Oh, that's cool. This path leads to a jetty. That was marvelous. Oh my gosh. I just accidentally walked past Yubang's house. Yubang is in a shoot right now, so. Hi, Yubang's house. I realized that one of my idols from the HBO series Grease is also in our shoot, and I am Hashtag fangirling. She's staying in this villa here. I'm just walking past it. I'm like, ah, I am your fan, Adinya Wirasti. Everyone calls her SD here. We are on nickname basis now. Compose yourself, Katanya. So initially I was really worried about bloating too much during my period, that I cannot fit into my costume. But seeing as you don't have to do much to sweat buckets here, I think I'm good. Cheers.
I don't know you tried to.
I just spoke to my parents on video chat, and they're asking how I am, you know, what's been going down for the past week that I left Singapore, and that they're really proud of me, and that feels good, you know. I have waited a long time for a production like this, and I'm so excited that I finally get to experience it. International actor life. I can get used to this.